Academics was a massive part of my initial coming here at Thomas College. I wanted somewhere where I could be responsible for myself, but then also excel. And Thomas College gave me a platform where I could really put my head down and get where I needed to be. The college experience has helped me grow in different ways, really. It's definitely allowed me to understand empathy a lot more and put myself in other people's shoes. It's definitely widened my knowledge of the corporate world and how I want to enter this market, as competitive as it will be. It's definitely made me realize that not everything is final kind of thing. Like, you can try and try again. Thomas College gives me that idea that I can keep going. I think the biggest impact on myself would have to be either Don Cragen or Bill Scott. So Don Cragen is a professor, but also a great human being who is actively wanting to improve other people's lives. He's some sort of a philanthropist in a way. And Bill Scott is equally the same, but just with lacrosse and wanting to see you become a great man. I'm deciding on to start in a management consultant role as soon as I get back home. I have a mentor who is willing to take me in. I'm very grateful for that. But I do eventually want to own my own business within the next 10 years.